Hello student, in today's session we will see simplification of a Boolean expression by using QMAP. So as I said in the last session, the first question is, what is the difference between QMAP and KMAP? Why we have to go for QMAP? See, in KMAP the simplification entirely depends on the user ability of grouping ones or zeros. Second one is, as the number of input variables increases, the simplification becomes complicated. So in order to avoid this one, so we are using QMAP. In QMAP, it involves preparation of two tables. One is called as prime implicants, other one is called as essential prime implicants. So prime implicants are the expression with the least number of literals that represents all the terms in the given truth table. So after that, these prime implicants are further subjected to filtering to determine essential prime implicants so that that will avoid any type of duplication. So dear students, we will see now how to solve given expression by using QMAP. So here you can see function of 4 variable. You can see here function of 4 variable this is function of 4 variable, and the SOP min terms are, these are the SOP min terms. So first step, here you have to follow step by step process. The first step is write down the truth table. So this is the truth table and represent the output. So here you can see this is the truth table and this is the output. Now from this write down only those min terms which shows output is equal to 1, like this. So now we will call this as stage 1. We will call this as a stage 1. Here what we will do is, in stage 1, we will write those terms which shows output is equal to 1. For example, in this case, we will write 0, 0, 0, 0 first. And one more thing is, we will write in particular order, that is according to number of ones in the group. So that is 1 number of ones, 2 number of ones, we will create a group. So first here you see output is 1, even though there is no 1 in this one, output is 1. We have to take this one and we can call 0 number of ones. This is one group. Second one is this one. Second one is this one. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is one more group that is contains one number of ones. That contains one number of ones and output is equal to 1. So I will now proceed to the direct table and try to explain you. So this is the table. So here you can see I have written first one is 0 number of ones, second one is See, 0 number of ones, this min term you have to include only when output of this one is 1. So, we know output of this term is 1, that's why we have included. Otherwise, simply don't include. Second one is 1 number of ones. Third one is 2 number of ones. Here you can see, here 2 numbers of ones, here also 2 numbers of. Fourth one is, that is the next group. Fourth group is 3 number of ones, and the last group is this one. So now, next stage is compare the two groups member by member. That is, you compare this group with this group, this group with this group, this group with this group, this group with this group. Member by member, so that the rule is at a time only in particular, only one bit should change. In a particular member, only one bit should change. And that we will write by using this symbol. For example, now you see, I will compare this, and here you can see only one digit change. So what I will do, I will write that in stage 2. That is, I compared 0 and 1, here 0 and 1, and in 0 and 1 only one digit change, that I will mark like this. And I will mark here, it is very important, you have to mark this one like this one. Now compare this and this, once again 0 and 2. Now compare this and this, no chance, because rarely you will get, because you have written in the number of ones in the increasing order. So here you can see this 0, 0, and here 2 bits are changing. So we need only 1 bit change. So that is not possible. So now next stage is, so like this you compare. Now compare. Now you compare this one with this one, and you write all the comparison in this group. Try to see whether you can compare and this one. Try to see whether you can compare with this one. Now, after this, you compare this one with this one with this one. So, write all the combinations. That is the second stage. Now you compare this one with this one with this one, first one with the third one, something like that. So when you compare this one with this one, you see 0, 0, 0 bar, here 0, 0, and here you can see this and this is not possible, because 2 bits are changing here. This is changing to bar, and this bar is changing to, hyphen is changing to 1. So not possible. You cannot compare. Compare this one with this one. So that is possible here. You see here, I will clear this one. See here, I will take first one and second this one. Here you see 0, 0, MSB you see 0, 0. This bit, and this bit changes to 1, and here, what is this? Hyphen remains same. That only one bit is changing. So what I can do? I can write here like this. I have compared 0, 1 with the 2, 3. So mark like this. I have compared 0, 1 with the 2, 3. Similarly, compare the other terms, and you will come to know this, and you will get all these terms. So always you have to, when you compare, you have to put one right mark, because at the end, when you prepare the second stage, suppose there is no right mark, then that term you have to consider in the final stage. That's why when you compare, immediately you put right mark. For example, here in the first stage you see, I compare 0 and 1. I put here 1 and this one. And I compare 0 and 2. Now I compare 1 and 3. 1 is already right mark. Okay. Put right mark for 3. like this. So once this is done, now you have to write this in terms of literal. Here this is nothing but A bar, B bar. This is nothing but A bar and B bar. This is A bar and B bar. This is also A bar and B bar. Here B bar, here B bar and C. So like this, here also you write all the literals in the second stage, and this is called as prime implicants. These are called as prime implicants. You can still see that in the next table. So you can see here, so what we get here. So here it is nothing but, as I said, A bar, B bar, and second term also A bar, B bar, and this is B bar, C, and this one is A, C, this is also A, C, this is A, B and A, B. Now you remove common terms. That is, here you take only one term out of two, because same term. Here you will take only one term, because you see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 1, 3. Order is different. Now the terms are same. So take common here. Here also take common. So how many commons you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4. So with that, so now you see here, now you make one more table that is called as essential, this one, prime implicants. So here you first mark first term, that is A bar, B bar, and write 0, 1, 2, 3, B, C, A, C, this one. So 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever min terms are there, you write in horizontal, and whatever min terms what we got, that you write in vertical. Then tick mark here. A bar, B bar means 0, 1, 2, 3. B bar, C means 2, 3, 10, 11. AC will cover 10, 11, this, and last one is this and this and this. Now from this I have to cover the best min terms, or best prime implicants that will cover all the terms of the truth table. So A bar, B bar is required, because this 0, 1 and 1 terms are covered by A bar, B bar. None of the other has covered this term. So I have to write A bar, B bar. Now next one is this one. This one I can take, because it will cover 10 and 11. Then this will cover 12, 13, 14, 15. So one answer is this one. So if you don't include this one, then if you have include this one, okay, this one will cover this and this. This one will cover remaining two. So here two answers are there. So this is the solution for our. So now one question is in student mind. That is, how will come to know whether we have to proceed stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. How will come to know how many stages are there? Now here you see, can you compare this and this one? Now I will take, in this example only, if I take to compare this and this one, 0 here is changed here. 0 here is remain okay. Hyphen here is changed to 1. That means 2 bits are changed. So if you see, like here, all are like that only. 2 bits are getting changed. So what is our rule? When you compare from one member to other member, only 1 bit should change, not 2 bit. So here all members have 2 bits got changed. That's why we don't have further stage 4. So you'll come to know you have to stop here only.